Hi my friends, this is Miss Andi and this is Teddy from Morley Library. We're here to do another story time with Baby. So, if you guys have some rattles or some shaky eggs or some bottles with rice in them, go ahead and pull them out so we can sing a song together in a little bit. We're going to start off with eyes, nose, cheeky, cheeky, chin. It's a lot of fun. It's one of my favorites. It helps point out different facial features to Baby. Ready? Eyes, nose, cheeky, cheeky, chin. Eyes, nose, cheeky, cheeky, chin. Eyes, nose, cheeky, cheeky, chin. Cheeky, cheeky, chin, nose, eyes. Yay! Now, we'll go ahead and do Here is the Beehive. It's a lot of fun. We did it last time if you remember. You just have to show me your beehive. Show beehive to the little one. Ready? Here is the beehive. But where are the bees? Hidden away where nobody sees. Let's look. Watch and you'll see them come out of their hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're alive, they're alive. And then you can tickle Baby at the end. It's a lot of fun. Let's do it one more time. Here is the beehive. But where are the bees? Hidden away where nobody sees. Watch and you'll see them come out of their hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're alive! It's a lot of fun. All right. So next we'll read a story. It's one of my favorites. It's called Muba La La La. Muba La 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 by Sandra Boynton. A cow says moo. A sheep says ah. 3 singing pigs say la la la. No, you say, that isn't right. No, it's not. What do the pigs say? The pigs say all day and night. Rhinoceroses snort and snuff, and little dogs go woof, woof, woof. Some other dogs go bow wow wow, and cats and kittens say meow. Quack, says the duck. A horse says neigh. It's quiet now. What do you say? All right. Now we're gonna sing Milkshake. And we sing it with our shaky eggs or with our rattle, whatever you have. If Baby isn't holding things quite yet, you can hold it in Baby's hands. And if not, you can just move around, give Baby the shaky eggs and just hold Baby and maybe move Baby around when we're stirring or when we're shaking. Okay? Ready? Okay. You take a little milk for the milk, and you take a little cream for the cream. You stir it all around. You shake it and you'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Milkshake, milkshake, shake it up, shake it up. Milkshake, milkshake, shake it all up. Milkshake, milkshake, shake it up, shake it up. Milkshake, milkshake, shake it all up. You take a little milk for the milk, and you take a little cream for the cream. You stir it all around. You shake it and you'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Milkshake, milkshake, shake it up, shake it up. Milkshake, milkshake, shake it all up. Milkshake, milkshake, shake it up, shake it up. Milkshake, milkshake, shake it all up. Yay! Very good. All right, I have one more song for you. And in your packets for this week, you'll find that we have a fun game to play with Old Macdonald Has a Farm, and that's the song we're going to sing. Are you guys ready? I brought some friends to sing along. You ready? Okay. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O, with a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O, with a buck buck here and a buck buck there, here a buck, there a buck, everywhere a buck buck. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a mouse, E-I-E-I-O, with a squeak squeak here and a squeak squeak there, here a squeak, there a squeak, everywhere a squeak squeak. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O, with an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink there and oink everywhere, oink oink. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a dog, woo, woo, woo. E-I-E-I-O, with a bark bark here and a bark bark there, here a bark, everywhere a bark bark. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Bye. Okay, friends, that was such a fun story. I love that song. So I'm going to read one more story with you, and then that'll be it for today. I hope you stop by and pick up some of your packets. They've got lots of fun things to do. Noses. Who has a long nose like this? An elephant! Who has a pink nose like this? We saw somebody like that just a minute ago. Who was it? That's right, a pig! Who has a colorful nose like this? Do you guys know? It's a toucan! That's a kind of bird. Who has a big nose like this? Do you guys know whose nose that is? A horse! Who has a wet nose like this? A dog! The end. All right, friends. So that was a lot of fun. I hope to see you soon. Remember, we have packets. You can always pick up books online, or you can order them. Just give us a phone call and put them on hold, and you can pick them up. We have tons of board books. All right, have a good day. Bye.